What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be installing a bed slide fridge from KickAss onto my Tacoma. I'm going to show you guys just exactly how I did it and the awesome features that this thing comes with. If at the end of the video you guys do end up wanting to go ahead and purchase it, make sure to check out the description box below. Every purchase does help out. Let's go ahead and now get into the video. Alright, you guys, so if you guys do remember in the previous video when I did do the KickAss fridge, if you guys do remember, I kind of somewhat showed you guys what this does, but as you guys can tell, this fridge sits here. Of course, I don't have it in my bed right now, just for installation purposes, and right here I do have an actual cutting board. So when we did install this, me and Steve, we didn't think it through too well. We just tried putting the power source closest to my power bed right here, and it just kind of gets in the way of the way I have my bed set up. So I am actually going to be uninstalling it right now, and I'm going to be placing this whole bed slide onto the opposite side of the truck, which is the driver's side, and that'll give me a lot more room for me to access everything and kind of move around. So that's what this video is going to entitle today. I know in the KickAss fridge video we just kind of demonstrated it, but we didn't show you guys how we installed it. So today I'll show you guys how to do it exactly. So let me uninstall it real quick, and then we'll go from there. I'll show you guys what I ended up getting, like as far as hardware, and how I'm going to be placing it and why I went that route. All right, you guys, so of course we've now kind of mounted it where we wanted it. I'll show you guys what I did. Of course, I've placed it where I wanted it. I've pre-drilled some of the holes, and I've also installed some of the hardware. I'll show you guys what hardware I used right now. But looking inside of here, inside the actual KickAss bed slide, there's going to be 4 holes on the actual railing system on this side. There's going to be 4 holes on this railing system, and then back here and here there should be 3 and 3. I'm only going to be putting down about maybe 8 bolts in total. But what I did here, I just got a drill bit that was about the same size as the holes that are on the rails, and all I did was literally just drill all the way through. And then I got the hardware. So the hardware that I ended up getting, it's not the one from KickAss. I actually went to the Lowe's hardware store and I got my own. So what it is a bolt. So as you guys can tell, I use a socket, and I got washers and I got nuts. Another thing that I did pick up is some Loctite. That you can put some Loctite on the bolt, so that way it stays secured and nothing comes up apart. From there, all I did was insert the bolt all the way through, and then from the bottom side I put a washer and a nut. That's it. Super simple, nothing hard about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish all this up right now. I'll put the fridge once again and show you guys why this thing really does kick ass. As you can tell, I finished up putting the 8 screws. I still have more holes to drill out, so I do need to go back to the hardware store and probably get a couple more just so I finish it up. It is really sturdy, like it's not gonna go anywhere, but it's just gonna be peace of mind if I put screws in every single hole, at least to me. You probably don't have to, but to me, I want to. But like I said, it ain't going nowhere. This thing works as it should. So let me close it up. So there it is, and let me open it up. So nothing's gonna go wrong there. So we're good to go. I could go ahead and now put my KickAss fridge right here whenever I do go off-road or camping, and there ain't gonna be any problems. And like I said, the cool thing about this, it has that little like pull-out table for a cutting board. So there it is, you guys. I could chop stuff up, chop up the onions, tomatoes, doesn't matter what it is. Before we finish off this video, I wanted to show you guys, this is the type of hardware that it does come with, the KickAss slide. It has like these kind of spiky things, a washer and nuts, or bolts I should say. It comes with a couple of them, but for me, not sure what these are called. For the plastic beds like the Tacomas have, it's not going to be good. You're going to rip right off. So like I said, that's why I ended up opting out of these and putting my own hardware from Lowe's. This is probably, if you're going to install it maybe onto wood, that's probably where it would have worked best. But for me, I wanted to use the bolt and nut method instead, because now it's nice and solid, and like I said, this thing ain't going anywhere 100%. So there you guys go. We now finished the installation of the bed slide for the KickAss fridge. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen the video on the KickAss fridge that I got, make sure to check it out, description box below. You guys won't want to miss it. You guys are going to end up wanting to go ahead and purchase one after you see that video. I can guarantee you that. So let me go ahead and open it up. So there's going to be 2 little slides here. You push down and it releases the fridge just like that. And it does come with straps. I don't have it strapped in right now, but it does come with straps to strap the fridge down on both ends. Next thing you're gonna notice here, there is another blue thing. Bring it on now, and like I told you guys in the beginning, right here's where you can go ahead and chop up your onions, tomatoes, meat, doesn't matter what it is, it's a chopping board. I still have access over here to my CBI off-road table, and then on this side I still have access there as well, which is freaking awesome. Now I have a big workspace, so even if I want to use this or not, and then I do have now access to both my freezer and my fridge. I could grab everything with ease and not even worry about anything. So then I could go ahead and close it up, hit up the latches right here. Super clean latches, super awesome fridge overall. I'm not sponsored by them, which I wish I was, but these are awesome. I'd highly recommend them. And then you bring down the blue latches and it locks in on its own, and you got your space right away once again. So this thing's awesome overall, like I said. And if you want it, whether you want the slide or the fridge, description box below, I've linked everything there. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.